Is your proximity sensor not working on your door handle on your Jeep Gladiator or Jeep Rubicon? Because mine wasn't. My driver's side was malfunctioning. It didn't work with touch, keyless entry on the proximity. Also, my power door locks and my mirror control wasn't working. So I guess this is a pretty common problem, but not much information out there. So I decided to dig into the door because I figured it was wiring. So here's what I found. So I pulled the door panel off, a couple Torx screws and clips here, no big deal. But as I inspected the wiring, yeah, I have like 4 broken wires and some chafed wires up in here, all through here. So I guess a lot of people are having issues, but I would mostly say that it's definitely door wiring. So I was gonna fix it, but mine's so shredded that I'm just gonna order a new part number. I mean, here's the tag on here if anybody's interested, but it might be specific for your Jeep and options that you have. So yeah, thanks.